Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to get free gems in Clash of Clans. So if you've seen websites claiming they can generate unlimited free gems, then here's the important part. There is no legitimate gem generator or secret hack that gives you unlimited gems for free. Instead, you can earn gems through legitimate in-game methods. You need to complete achievements, clear obstacles from your village, and participate in official events or challenges that offer gems as rewards. You can also check the in-game shop and event section for any official promotions or reward currently available. Then you need to avoid third-party gem generators, modified apps, and websites asking you for your COC login information, because those can put your account at risk or potentially lead to account restrictions. So there isn't a secret unlimited gem trick, but you can earn free gems by using the official methods available in Clash of Clans. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.